Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. In this video I have created this full face of Too Faced makeup. So to be honest, I don't have each and everything from Too Faced. I did use some other product, but that's fine. Like most of the product are from Too Faced, so that's completely okay, I think. And yes, if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. To start with, I'm using this Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched cream. It does smell like vitamin, lot of vitamin. It smells very citrusy, but yes, it is a good cream. So I'm gonna apply that. Face is looking really dull today. I don't know the reason for that, but it feels very dull. So I don't have the primer from Too Faced. I have this primer for eyes, but face के लिए नहीं है. So I'm gonna use this Poreless Professional, the Professional Pore Primer. It's my favorite primer. So I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna gently press it into my skin. That's how I like to do it because I have really large pores, so I need that kind of like a pore minimizer primer to make my skin look flawless. Okay, so for foundation, I have this Too Faced foundation. This is Born This Way medium to full coverage oil-free foundation. Now I think this one is shade Natural Beige, and this is a concealer. It's in golden beige color. But I think मुझे जो अपना foundation है वो golden beige में लेना चाहिए था और concealer जो है और 2 shades lighter लेना चाहिए था. But anyway, we're gonna work with whatever we have right now. This one is good, like it's oil-free medium to full coverage foundation, but it's a little dark for my skin tone. So what I'm gonna do, I have a Benefit ka foundation in a very light shade. So I'm gonna mix these two to make my shade, और उसके बाद I'm gonna apply that. So I'm gonna take just one pump of this one, and I'm gonna take one pump of this one. So this is like it's not a very genius hack. So in case कभी आपके साथ ऐसा होता है कि आपका जो फाउंडेशन है वो गलती से लाइट या डार्क कलर में आ जाता है, just make sure to keep at least one dark and one light normal foundation handy, ताकि आप उसको you can. Let me just put my hair back. There's a lot of acne mark showing on my face today. I don't know क्या हुआ है, but quite visible. Okay, so foundation is done. Now I'm gonna apply the concealer, which is this multi-sculpting concealer. I think you get a lot of amount. I mean, I don't know, this is quite too much for a concealer, and to be honest, ये वाला concealer मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है. I don't know, some people say really good stuff about it, but for me it's not that great. And let me tell you why that's so. एक तो okay, so it creases really fast, बहुत जल्दी crease हो जाता है, which I don't like about it. And yeah, that's all about it. Why I don't use it that much, but I think today it's working fine for me. Concealer is done. I'm gonna quickly set it with a loose powder. So for loose powder, I have this loose powder by Too Faced. This is the loose powder I'm using, and I always use this one. This is in shade translucent, I guess, and I love it. I always use this one, but I think I forgot to get my sponge जो मैं हमेशा use करती हूँ. I'm gonna get it. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is fill my brows. For my brows, I'm using this Benefit का brow pencil. I'm not even sure कि Too Faced का कोई brow pencil आता है कि नहीं. So I'm just using this one, my usual like brow filling tool. I always use this one. I prefer this one. over any other product. My brows are anyway like, you know, I think मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, but I still like fill जो भी थोड़ा सा starting में gaps होते हैं वो सब, but apart from that it's pretty normal. Now I'm gonna do my eyeshadows. So for eyeshadow I'm using this Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette. Again, the packaging of Too Faced is, you know, very luxurious. I really like the packaging. It has all the neutral shades, so that's why I, you know, preferred this one. It's a great palette. अगर आपको Huda Beauty का nude वाला palette पसंद है, then you're gonna like this one as well, because it has all the nude shades, like all the basic shades you would need. So first I'm gonna take this very light shade Peaches and Cream and just apply it over my lid, just to give it a very natural, you know, look. Today we are gonna go a little bit peachy, I would say. Yes, peachy and a brownish kind of mix we would do. So I'm gonna just apply it all over my lid. As you guys can see, look at this, like there is a lot of like, it's a peachy pinkish kind of color. I love it. And I'm gonna dust off the excess. I'm doing it here because I'm sitting on my bed, as you guys can like see in the background. So I'm gonna just do it like this. We're gonna go just very neutral today, so I'm gonna take another color which is just peachy. It's just one shade like a darker than the one I picked up. So I'm gonna take that, dust off the excess and just apply it like that. Now I'm gonna take a different brush, maybe this one, which is like a bit precise, and I'm gonna take this peach cobbler shade and apply it at the corners. Now we're gonna take the fluffy brush and take this fresh picked shade, because it's like another deep brown color, and I'm gonna just apply it here. Okay, so one thing I figured out that these shades are very identical, so if you want to create like a darker like shadow corner pe, it's a little difficult, I could say. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is dust off this excess I have. You know what, I can see कि यहाँ पे थोड़ा creasing हो गई है, तो which I was telling you guys कि I don't know, that's what I was saying कि थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे crease create हो जाती है, but ठीक है. Rest everything is looking fine. Now I'm gonna take another like precise brush and I'm gonna just take a brownish shade and apply it over my lower lash line. Apply eyeliner. So for my eyeliner I'm using this Lakme Iconic eyeliner I got recently. I'm not a fan of like these liquid eyeliner, but this time I thought I'll give it a try and see how does it work. So yep, keeping finger crossed, hope ये पूरा जो look है उसको ruin ना कर दे. It's very dark, intense, but it's difficult to work, at least for me. Like my hands are not that stable. So I think it's difficult for me to work with this. Oh my god, it was so easy to apply on this. I don't know how that happened, but it was easy. Oh my god. Okay, fine. Okay, so we are done with eyeliner. Now I'm gonna quickly apply the mascara I have. So for mascara I'm using this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's a great mascara. It's this one gives a very like bushy, you know, voluminous eyelashes. You'll love it if you like L'Oreal ka mascara, then you're gonna like it a lot. for my face, I'm using this Too Faced palette. It's in like natural face palette, and this is how it looks like. Beautiful packaging, beautiful package, beautiful palette with lot of like warm tones. So first I'm gonna contour my face. So for contouring, or you can say bronzing, I'm gonna use this Sunny Honey. This is the brush I'm gonna use. This is by BH Cosmetics. A little like fluffy, but not that much like the one I have for my blush. So it's just the perfect amount of fluffiness I need. Now for my blush, because since my face is like full of color and shadows, I'm gonna use this Pink Sand. It's a very muted pink, beautiful pink. I think मुझे जिस type का पसंद है. I don't like my blush to be very like pinky and giving very, you know, loud message. I just like it to be very subtle and just give a hint of pink, not too much, you know, like this. Look at this. It's a very beautiful pink shade. I love it. So this palette has like 2 highlighter, 2 blush and 2 bronzer. So since I use this blush, I want to go really light with my highlighter. So I'm gonna just use my finger and apply it over जहाँ पे भी मुझे required होगा. Because brush से क्या होता है ना कि quantity हमेशा थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा आती है. And look at this, like look at how pigmented it is. Only thing which I'm not liking it is it's a little like it's giving that golden kind of, you know, tint, which I'm not fan of, which I'm not that big fan of. I would have liked it better अगर ये थोड़ा सा और subtle में होता, but ठीक है, not a problem. Now I'm gonna just set my face using this NYX setting spray. By the way, जो भी product मैंने इस वीडियो में यूज़ किए हैं उन सब का जो description है, वो information है, वो आपको description box में मिल जाएगी. I'm gonna quickly apply the setting spray. I think today we're gonna apply Got Peach because it's a very peachy kind of shade. Chill Pill is more on a red side. Okay guys, so this is the final look we have. Now I'm gonna quickly talk about each and every product one by one just to give you guys a review about it. Now first let's talk about this Born This Way Too Faced foundation. I think it is a good foundation if you'll get it in your perfect color. थोड़ा सा कलर ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है, but apart from that it's a great foundation. It's really easy to work with. बहुत easily apply हो जाता है. It gives medium coverage अगर आप normally इसको apply करेंगे, but you can definitely, I can see that like you can build it up to full coverage for sure. Next product I have is Too Faced Multi Sculpting Concealer. Now for concealer I can only say कि ये थोड़ा सा easily crease हो जाता है. Just make sure like I don't know, for my skin type and for my under eyes ये crease हो जाता है, but I'm not sure कि बाकी सब पे कैसा work करेगा. उसके बाद next product I have is this eyeshadow palette. It's a great eyeshadow palette. अगर आप invest कर सकते हैं then definitely it's worth a try. It has very beautiful highly pigmented shades जिनके साथ काम करना is super duper easy. और इसमें बहुत सारे neutral type of shades हैं. तो as you guys can see there is a pattern basically. So what you can do, you can just use these 3 products or these 3 eyeshadows or maybe these 3 and create your look accordingly. But today I have used these 2 and this one, so I just wanted to give it a pink, brown, peachy kind of look. So I've used those 3 eyeshadows. Next I have is their face palette. Again, I'm very impressed with the face palette. It's a beautiful palette, and if you are a fan of great packaging, then I think you should definitely invest in at least one of the Too Faced product. You will know what I'm talking about. So it has like highlighter, blush and contour, and सब कुछ इंडियन स्किन पे बहुत अच्छे से काम करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत ही फेयर स्किन टोन को देख के बनाया गया है. बट आई थिंक आई हैव chosen a wrong highlighter today. I should have gone for this one because this one looks a little subtle, like a coppery kind of highlighter. This one is very bright. For blush I use this pink sand, and you can see this pink sand itself very pink, so you won't need pink wink. And for contour I use Sunny Honey. Great product. Now next we use this mascara. So this mascara is again a very famous, very well-known mascara. It's a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's a great product if you like voluminous eyelashes, and अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा falsy eyelashes में believe नहीं करते हैं, then you can definitely purchase this one. But I would suggest you to go for a smaller size because mascara 6 month में expire हो जाते हैं, and there is no point of investing in something which is gonna get expired in just 6 months. Okay, so don't get the bigger size if you don't use makeup product that much. So I invested in a smaller size, and I think now it's a time for me to get bigger sizes because I do makeup quite a lot, but pehle I was not doing it that much, so I preferred with a shorter version of it. Apart from that, what else do we have? So we have Too Faced lipstick. I'm a fan of Too Faced lipstick. Their packaging is great. I love Chill Pill, but I'm again a fan of Got Peach as well. I'm gonna definitely invest in Too Faced lipsticks because A, they look gorgeous when you keep them on your vanity, when you place them somewhere in your vanity, and B, they are very pigmented. They gives a very nice look, very nice feel, very smooth to apply. So yes, a great lipsticks. Okay, last but not the least, which I'm not using in this video because I didn't feel the need of using a primer on my eyes. So this is their 24-hour anti-crease eyeshadow primer. To be honest, I never tested this 24-hour wala thing, but I can say that it's a very basic primer. Like you can use any primer on your eyelids, so that's fine. That would be fine, I guess. तो ऐसा कुछ वो नहीं है, but अलग से कुछ invest करने की आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है. So it's not that like, you know, you don't, like, you can buy it but you don't need it. It's that kind of product. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and मुझे Instagram पे भी follow करिए, and keep giving me suggestions in comment section so that I can know what I need to improve, and next video में आपको क्या क्या देखना है वो सब भी मुझे बताइए. So I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.